no, my car is covered with muddy dirts. I need to go to the car wash. Help me.
Welcome to Meddy Car Wash. How can I help?
Yoshi, can you please clean the car?
Don't worry, I can help. First, wash the car with water to spray. Next, foam out with soap. Next, wipe the foams to make car polished. Next, rinse the car with water. Finally, dry the car with car dryer. The car is finished. The car is all clean. Birdo go in the car now.
Thank you, Yoshi, for cleaning the car. I'm heading off now. Nice car. Bye.